I used to think I had to look perfect to show up online, but this is me. I love getting dressed up and feeling pretty. And I'm a mom first. My daughter's learning hair, and I'm her biggest model and fan. And when she needs me, I'm also her stylist too. Some days I'm in Canva designing and creating. This was a part of a tutorial that I'm working on for my channel, how to make your own custom paper or custom tissue paper so you can stuff your bags or whatever you want to do with it. Then I'm out shopping for supplies, grabbing tools, and organizing another home space. I'm also Barbara the Builder, I guess, or Bakisa the Builder. My life isn't perfect. I'm cleaning, learning, and figuring it out as I go. And sometimes I'm behind the camera, helping my friend, the realtor, hey Carrie Ann, record her content while I'm building mines too. This is the real me, still growing, still showing up, still Bakisa. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Bye.